What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today's look is this. If you guys want to achieve this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to grab your snacks, your waters, your drinks, your coffees, your popcorn, whatever you guys prefer. So yeah, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So I know this setup is a little different, but I want to take it back to my OG days where I first started off, and you guys will see backgrounds like this. So like I was saying, switch to my background a little bit. I prepped my face. Today I'm going to be using my Lorella sponge. It looks like this. I'm going to go wet it in a little bit. My eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Benefit. I'm going to grab, this is how I have my brushes for now. I'm going to go in, it's a mixture of different brushes because all my other brushes, well, like my Morphe brushes and stuff, I've been using them. I haven't cleaned them, but I have not used the dirty ones on my face. I've done it a couple times and I noticed I can't do that. For you girls that do that, I don't know how you guys can, but salute you guys. Oh, you guys, and I had cleaned up my brows too, made them a little thinner. I like the thick brows too, but I go through a phase where I like thin brows, and then I'm like, I want thick brows, and then I'm like, I want thin brows. So I'm just going to shade them in. Has anyone done their Christmas shopping? Today is, let's see the day. Today is Monday, December 11th. 2 more weeks and it's Christmas. So just the thought of the New Year is already gonna be here. With my Real Techniques brush. So now I'm going in with my foundation and cashew with my Lorella sponge. I went to go wet it so it's nice and squishy. I'm gonna add 2 little pumps, well, 2 big pumps basically. And I usually don't put my foundation right here underneath my eyes, but I'm gonna try something new. How my face is looking, and now I'm gonna go in my Frankie Rose powder and blush with my Juvia's right here. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Stay Neutral palette. So this is how it's looking. Okay, so I picked up a new mascara and I've been wanting to buy this while. Oh, now my hands are dirty from the blush. And I bought it, and it's the Bag Out Bang by Benefit. And it's in the, if you know, mini version. So we're going to apply this right now. And I got my lashes somewhere right here, and you'll see. Applied my Lorella Lash Glue in clear. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so when I drop new videos like this, you guys will be notified. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I'm done. I'm gonna show you guys the products I was using. So for my brows, I used the Benefit. Okay. And then I cleaned up my brows with the e.l.f. concealer. Then I used the Lorella Lash Glue. It looks like this. And then my mascara is the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. My lips, I used the LA Colors Gel Liner in Calf. And you guys, you could sharpen it. Electric sharpener, because my kids, you know, they go to school, they need pencils, coloring pencils, they need to sharpen. So that was like a good investment if you guys want. I got mine, I think it was $10 or $20, no, $20 at Walmart, and it's really good. Takes me back to my school days. And then I use this lash applicator, but I bought me a new one from Lorella. I like this one, but I don't like you know, I don't know, I just don't like this curvy part. This Halo Glow Beauty Wand, it's my blush liquid. I use the orange color corrector for my bags. My foundation is Elf and it's in chestnut and it looks like this. For my blush, I use the Juvia's Place Volume 4. You guys, amazing. Must Be Cindy put me on. Thank you, baby. And then the Frankie Rose as well. Eyeshadow, I use the Lorella Stay Neutral palette. You guys need to get your hands on this. It's amazing. All Lorella's products are really amazing and affordable. Their products are amazing and affordable. Yay! And I use the Lorella sponge. You guys, I love it. I didn't use the Lorella mirror. Okay. Guys need to get your hands on Lorella stuff. All their products are amazing and it's affordable, you guys. They have the next thing I want to purchase, it's a big thing, is the vanity light. I think it's like 160 or 180, I'm not too sure, but that's what I'm missing from my little vanity. Like, I have everything set up already, but I'm missing my big old mirror and my lights. I love recording in front of my ring light, but it's time to take it up a notch and upgrade, you know, like new year, new things, baby. Like, oh my gosh, like new and things. Foxy Bay, you guys need to get your hands on that. It's really amazing. Thank me later. Those of you know that the people that I put on, they know how amazing it is, and the people that put me on, Must Be Cindy, I'm like, can't thank her enough, you know, because my hair used to be ugly, horrendous, fugly, look like a scoba. Yeah, so those are the products I use in today's video. So see you next time.